Your 8 missing coffee bags aren't lost. Your accounting system is blind. Most coffee curing units use default tally for accounting, but here's the problem. Default tally treats coffee like any other commodity. It doesn't understand moisture content loss, quality deductions, or the complex curing process that transforms your raw beans. When you purchase 100 bags and end up with 92, default tally has no clarity on where those 8 bags went. But with a customized coffee curing solution, every bag is accounted for. Moisture content loss is tracked automatically. Quality rejections are recorded without affecting your accounting, and lot-wise tracking gives you complete visibility. The difference is simple. Default tally records transactions, but customized tally records your actual business process. This prevents internal manipulation, builds farmer trust, and shows your true profitability. Your coffee curing operation deserves software that understands coffee, not just numbers.